One of the top destinations for students seeking to take advantage of an excellent and well-recognized international education is the United States. Of assistance, Sir G has gathered a list of U.S. government and institutional scholarships as well as scholarships awarded by U.S. colleges and universities. In today's video we are going to discuss 10 universities offering scholarships to international students. Before we start the video, please consider subscribing our YouTube channel. This would help us make more content like this for you. EU Emerging Global Leader Scholarship Program. University awards scholarships to high-achieving international students who wish to pursue a bachelor's degree at the university and who are dedicated to positive civic and social change. It is intended for students who will be returning home to improve under-resourced, underserved communities in his/her home country. The AUEGL scholarship covers all billable AU expenses, full tuition, room and board, for one international student who will need a visa, preferably an F1 or J1 student visa, to study in the United States. Scholarships at the University of the West. The University of the West awards scholarships to freshmen from other countries who excel academically and exhibit a need for financial aid. The grant for new students is worth between $6,000 and $10,000 a year. The Dean's and President's Scholarship covers 7.5 to 15 undergraduate units or 6 to 12 graduate units every semester for continuing students. Wagner Scholarships at New York University. Each application cycle, the merit scholarships are made available to a select group of accepted students, including those from abroad. The scholarships range from $25,000 to $47,000 and cover partial to full tuition. University of Michigan State International Scholarships. At the undergraduate and graduate levels, Michigan University offers a small number of merit-based scholarships and grants to qualified international students. These financial aid packages are not intended to cover the whole cost of your MSU academic program. International Merit Scholarships available at Iowa State University. A small number of merit scholarships will be offered to freshmen from other countries. Scholarship selection is competitive and is based on a thorough evaluation of high school grades, SAT or ACT scores, and other factors. The grants are renewable and range from $2,000 to $10,000 annually. College scholarships at Emory. A small group of international students receive need-based financial aid grants each year from Emory College. Also encouraged are applications for partial to full merit-based scholarships through the Emory University Scholars Program, deadline, November 15. College of East Tennessee. For new international students pursuing a graduate or undergraduate degree, East Tennessee State University, ETSU, offers the International Students Academic Merit Scholarship. For undergraduate students, the scholarship is worth $12,500 every academic year, while for graduate students, it is worth $5,000 to $9,000. College scholarships at Dartmouth. All admitted undergraduates, including those from other nations, have needs that Dartmouth College satisfies. International students may apply for scholarships and loans from Dartmouth College, which also provide funding for trip expenses to the United States. Scholarships for Columbia University. International students who excel are eligible for scholarships and honors from Columbia College. The prizes include one-time cash scholarships or tuition reductions ranging from 15% to 100%. Scholarships for Colby Sawyer University. Colby Sawyer College offers merit-based financial aid to international students. The scholarship amount rises dependent on academic performance, as determined by GPA, and can reach $8,000 each year. Full financial necessity is not met by the college.